How to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. So first of all, just simply open your YouTube account and just make sure that you have logged in with the account with which you want to upload the short. And after that, just simply click on this upload section from the top right corner which says create. Just simply click on it and click on upload video, and now this pop-up menu will appear in front of you, from where you have to click on select files, and from your device just simply select the file or the short that you would want to upload and click on open. And after that, you have to give this particular reel a title or the short a title, and after that you can also go ahead and add the description and tweak other settings as well as per your liking. And after that, just simply click on next and continue with the uploading process. Click on next, and after that you have the option to save or publish your video if you want to. So I'm going to click on the public section from here, and now just simply click on publish, and as you can see that your short has been uploaded on YouTube from your PC. So this is basically how you will be able to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So this is basically how you will be able to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.